As an HOA portfolio manager, there's a lot riding on you being able to effectively do your job and do it well. From increasing resident satisfaction and enhancing property values, to overseeing administrative work and managing efficient communication, it's a lot. Luckily, DoorLoop is here to help, so you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time growing the future of your business. So with that said, let's take a look at some of the most powerful HOA features that DoorLoop offers. First up, effective communication tools. Communication is one of the most crucial aspects for HOAs. With DoorLoop, you can effortlessly connect with both board members and residents. Community managers can also send announcements through the resident portal, SMS, and email, keeping everyone in the loop, no pun intended. We also have board member access to association reports. This will allow you to empower your association board members with access to essential reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and AR aging summary. DoorLoop makes it really simple for them to stay up to date and make informed decisions. Next, let's talk about resident request management. Every successful HOA manager knows that resident voices matter. That's why DoorLoop allows residents to create requests directly for the community manager. Whether it's a maintenance request or suggestion, DoorLoop streamlines the entire process, ensuring residents' concerns are heard and addressed promptly. Following that, we have online payment collection. Collecting association dues and assessments online has never been easier. Once you experience the convenience of not having to collect payments in person, there's really no going back. DoorLoop seamlessly facilitates these online payments, ensuring residents can conveniently fulfill their obligations, leading to improved financial management for the HOA that they manage. And last but not least, payment reminders and outstanding charges. With DoorLoop, you can say goodbye to missed payments. Our software sends due payment reminders to residents, helping them stay on top of their commitment in a timely manner. Plus, on top of that, it helps you automate charge violations, ensuring that rules are always upheld. And there you have it, HOA portfolio managers. DoorLoop's property management software is the solution to help you with efficient communication and streamlined management. Of course, there are many more features that we offer, but we couldn't possibly cover everything all in a single video. Otherwise, we'd be here a whole lot longer. If you are interested to learn more though, request a free demo by clicking this button right here. We'll see you soon.